I just got back from a run in my amazing Arabella activewear, and I am feeling great. I'll put a link in the description below to their website if you want to get yourself a set. And I'll also make a video describing their incredible athletic sets and trying them on and stuff. But for right now, I'm starving. So we're going to make ourselves a great green protein salad. We're going to nourish our bodies with loads of fiber and protein that we're going to get from spinach, pumpkin seeds. We'll get some vitamins from berries and coconut oil. So let's gather our ingredients. Okay, first we want to get started on our dressing. So I'm not like a huge fan of salad dressing in general, but I do love berries with my vegetables. So we're gonna go ahead and simmer about a 1/4 cup of mixed berries. We'll put a couple tablespoons of coconut oil in there. Okay, that was a little bit of a hefty chunk, but that's okay. Turn that up to medium-low. And then we're gonna go ahead and cover it, and we'll just let that simmer while we're chopping our vegetables. Get a nice big bowl. All right, so we want to chop up some spinach here. We want to get 2 cups, so let's press down our spinach into our measuring cup so that we can get an accurate guesstimate. Yes, I'm aware that I said accurate guesstimate, and that seems like that doesn't really make sense, but it will, trust me. Just watching enough of my videos, you'll get what I mean by accurate guesstimate. All right. One more, and we will be good to go with our spinach. We should probably give our dressing a little shakeroonie here. Move the oil around a little bit so that it can melt some more. It's just nice to keep an eye on it. All right, chop this spinach up as well. Oh, dropping spinach leaves. A little bit more. Oh, actually, there's not really a whole lot left in this, so I'm just going to clear out the rest of this Popeyes here. It feels like I'm just doing the right thing when I eat spinach from Popeyes. That's probably just because I watched too much Popeyes growing up, though. But spinach is my favorite leafy green, so it works out pretty great. And then we also want to add a cup of pumpkin seeds. So there is 1/2 cup and 1 cup. Pumpkin seeds have tons of fiber. Obviously, all seeds have lots of fiber. Really, pretty much all vegetables have lots of fiber. But pumpkin seeds are super awesome because they are also loaded with protein. There's like either 30 or 36 grams of protein in just 1 cup. So it's pretty great. In this salad, we have over 40 grams of protein. And because we have such light flavors here, it's really easy to just kind of power through. If you don't have a lot of time to snack throughout the day, then you can just sit down and power through one of these pumpkin seed and spinach salads really easily. So we're going to go ahead and let our berries continue to thaw and our oil continue to melt here together. And then once it's done, we'll be ready to pour it over our salad. Okay, so I can hear our dressing bubbling, so that means it's definitely ready. So let's go ahead. Oh gosh, it smells so good. Oh my goodness. And all those colors are coming together beautifully. So very simple. We've got our spinach and pumpkin seeds here ready to go. We're just gonna pour our coconut oil and berries over top. All right. And there we go. That is our great green protein salad. I can't wait to dig in. I'm gonna grab a fork. I'm always really great at grabbing stuff ahead of time. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you hit the like and subscribe buttons below. It really helps me out. It really helps the channel out. And if you have any questions or comments, definitely leave those below. I'd love to hear from you, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.